Hi Divyansh,
Hello, hey, hi, what's up? I'm so
I'm
sorry
good.
I'm late.
No, it's definitely all right. Some of your fans were waiting for you in the comment section.
I have fans? I doubt.
No, really, you can check out the comments. You can definitely see some of the fans because the work you have created, deserve some of the fans.
I'm pretty sure the fans are of the films and not me. I'm not a star, not an actor. But yeah, you're being kind. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'll keep it very simple. I'm a filmmaker who started his career when he was 19 years old, and I assisted the great Mr. Rajkumar Santoshi for the longest time, 5 6 years. Okay,
Okay,
Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kani, then Phata Poster Nikla Hero. Phata
okay,
Poster Nikla Hero officially. And then after that, I started my own production house and I started creating my own films. And that is how, and we've had some decent run, a lot of viral films, a lot of awards, Filmfare nominations, 4 consecutive back to back, and a
okay.
lot of them. So touchwood, God has been kind as far as our cinema is concerned because we try to create cinema. And short films are.
Okay,
I always tell everyone, that don't treat short film as a short film. The only difference in a short film and a feature film is the length.
right.
Treat it like a film and see what wonders it will do for you.
So basically, how did you decided that you want to work on short film rather than the long film?
When you are starting your career, in your career, you don't expect people to just believe in you just like that.
Right.
You really don't expect producers to come on board and just back you, and you have to prove yourself.
Yes,
And
yes.
thankfully, we are living in times where digital is so strong. We've got platforms, we've got so YouTube, OTTs to buy.
Yeah.
So you can just shoot and put it out there, and get your audience and create your brand, your pace,
Hmm.
your
Right.
pace as far as the audience is concerned.
Right.
So that is how I thought that, and you also keep polishing yourself.
Right.
What you would do in your film, you do that, all of that in your film, in your short film. So
Right.
it's a great practice, great exercise. You test yourself. You get to know कि कितने पानी में हो तुम. So yes, that's the whole idea.
Also, I think the main difficulty in short films is you need to pass on the message in really short duration.
Yeah,
But
but once you master that art, when
hmm,
I say that art, I mean um, telling a story in 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Once you know the pattern, once you understand the grammar,
hmm.
then it's not that difficult. You know,
Okay,
like if you tell me right now to make to write a 2 hour film that I am actually. So I'm finding it difficult right now because we are used to having the start, middle, and end in a 20-minute space. But now we have to
right.
do the same thing in 2 hours. So of course we have co-writers. We've collaborated with some good writers who have this
Okay,
thing to create scripts out for 2 hours, and yeah, I think. Someone who has never made a short film, for that person to tell the story, who's used to telling a story in 2 hours, will be difficult.
right, right.
At the same time, both the things, like a feature film or a short film, to tell a story, they have their own advantages and disadvantages. 2 घंटा किसी ऑडियंस को पकड़ के रखना वो सबसे डिफिकल्ट होता है. It's the
Right.
most difficult thing on earth. At the same time, to tell a story in 15 20 minutes and
Hmm.
convince the audience, that itself
Okay,
is very difficult. So both.
right.
I won't say
Both the
कि
tasks
ऐसा
also, yeah,
ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
difficult.
Yeah.
Yes. So, like coming back to business perspective, like we wanted to understand that basically how directors are generally have their work in a film, like how are they paid? Like basically, what is their financial status? Like, are
Directors.
they paid? Yeah, directors. Like, are they paid on a fixed income, or do they have any certain amount of substantial income according to the films?
See, there are different kind of directors. Okay, there is one
Okay,
Rajkumar Irani, Rohit Shetty. ठीक है. Then there is a Sanjay Leela Bansali. ठीक है, all established ones.
right.
Then फिर बाद में एक clan है, विक्रमादित्य मोटवानी, अनुराग कश्यप.
Yes.
दिबाकर बैनर्जी, जोया अख्तर. फिर आते हैं हम strugglers who are trying to make it. Okay, so it all depends on two things. Number one, what have you done till date? Number two, done till date in terms of filmography. What films have you shot before this? Number two, it is how did it fare at the box office, or what was the response of it? This is the second thing. And the last thing is, you are as good as your last film. This is what we have learned. Right. Biggest of the directors, if they're charging X amount, like for example, a director is charging 10 rupees. Your last film, if it bombs, you come down to 4 rupees. If that is a blockbuster, then you go back to 12 rupees again. So, it keeps, and this goes for the actors also. So it's not just director. Yeah, it varies.
Okay, it's basically definitely not the same for everyone.
And these days, almost all the directors are producers themselves,
Okay.
So, yeah, so co-produce kar lete hain. They keep a minimal fee for themselves, and eventually they have a percentage in the film. So there are different ways to earn money as a director or a producer. There is no fixed thing कि यार इतना ही होता है salary, fees इतना होता है. It's nothing like that.
So, Divyansh, I had one thing in my mind. Like when we see in the previous time, like in 90s or 80s, we generally see that directors or producers, they don't come to stage. They don't like generally actors and actresses, they take the lead and discuss about the film everywhere. And generally directors and producers were not appreciated to the level they should have been.
Long back, yeah.
But yes. But these days we see the change. Like directors are coming ahead. Like you also shared that the announcement will be made by the producer.
Yeah.
So how this change took place?
See, announcements to producers always did, the big banners always did that, posters and trailers, and the media release and everything. But the thing is that, yes, initially directors were not as empowered as they are, and the credit goes to Karan Johar. After Kuch Hota Hai, that film, people started recognizing, director bhi hota hai film,
Right.
Director नाम की चीज होती है, अच्छा जो फिल्म बनाता है. So it was Karan Johar who literally took, I don't know if consciously उन्होंने वो decision लिया कि नहीं, but yes, after that film, that thing started happening कि director कौन है, खाली star की बात नहीं है.
Exactly.
If you see at that time, even जब awards होते थे, तो last awards artists के होते थे, best actor, best actress.
Yes.
That changed. Now the last award is the best films award, best film. So वो thankfully change हुआ, कि it's not just about the actor and the actress. Yes, they are important to promote the films because film लोग artists को ही देखने आते हैं. If the film is character driven, if they have stars, तो उनको देख के आएंगे लोग देखने. और content हुआ, तो सोने पे सुहागा. It's like that. But then Farhan Akhtar came. He made Dil Chahta Hai. Now that film totally again was a turnaround. कि अच्छा, ये director है जिसने बनाया, एक नया cinema क्या है, it's a different kind of cinema. It was a path breaking at that time.
Exactly.
And then after that, credit मिलने लगा directors को, and then writers पीछे रह गए. Writers बचे थे. अब धीरे-धीरे writers भी आ रहे हैं. So then slowly the industry realized that to empower writers is so important.
Right.
And then the writers came in. Yes, that is how the change happened, and it is happening. So yes, I'll say Karan Johar first, then Farhan Akhtar.
Farhan Akhtar.
Yeah, yes. And then after that,
list goes on.
Yes.
Basically, Divyansh, what is the whole process a film goes through? Like when it before coming to the decision that it has been done. So what is the whole process a film goes through?
It has been done as in what?
Released.
See, it all starts from, first of all, a thought. Okay. And then you need to call it something. You can't be calling a film a project. At least I don't like it. I don't like calling a film a project. And we call it something. There is a working title. Then we create a script. And when we create a script, once we are done with it, the next step is casting. Casting happens. And once the casting is done, then I call in my production team. We get done with our recce's. We're done with our location hunting. Then we finalize our HODs, that are head of departments. Mostly the same ही होते हैं because team वही है.
Right.
a cinematographer, art director, then editor, background music.
Right.
All these are, they are part of the team. So once we gather all of them, once we take everybody on the same page, and then once
Right.
we are done with the location, we go on the set, we do a short division, short breakdown hota hai,
Hmm.
and all the production people on the same page. And once we are done with everything, then we shoot. Once we are done with the shooting, then the major work starts. And then compiling all
Okay.
the shots, converting all the shots, getting them on the table, lining them up, then editing the film, then re-editing the film, then making the final draft of that edit, and then giving it for background score. Then one copy goes to the sound effects, then one copy goes to the Foley sound effect, one copy goes for the DI color correction, and if VFX required, one copy goes for the
All
VFX
right.
and different formats. And all these files come to us, then we compile all of them together, and then finally those sound effects, all those sound files that come in, we send them to the mixing engineer, and then finally the engineer mixes all the tracks and gets one track finally, and when that track we receive, then we
Okay.
attach it to our final print that has come from the DI, that is color correction, and we
Hmm.
export the file. And ये मैंने शॉर्ट में बताया, बट ऐसे
Hmm.
बहुत सारी चीजें, बहुत 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 सारी चीजें.
जनरली कितना टाइम लगता है एक शॉर्ट फिल्म बनने में?
See, again, it depends what is the length and what kind of film it is.
Okay.
Yeah, and what is your speed? That also depends a lot. Like we shoot it fast because I know what I want from my film normally. I know
Alright.
that my short films, I don't really need to sit on the edit and think ab kya karu. A lot of people do that, but we are set. We know how much we want to shoot. That is why we shoot quick. We really shoot fast. I think a short film shouldn't take more than, see, एक दिन की shoot is more than enough to shoot a short film. 2
Okay.
days going by the length of it, and 3 days maximum. ठीक है, 3 दिन तो जाना ही नहीं चाहिए, 2 दिन enough होता है. Third day you
Alright.
can still take it up for its if there is any balance shot left.
Hmm.
Then
Okay.
then the third day comes in for patchwork. And once you are done with it, then the post production shouldn't take more than 10 to 12 days, 15 days. So
Okay.
within a month a short film should be ready. But लोगों के budget constraints होते हैं, दुनिया भर की चीजें होती हैं.
Right.
So
Right.
it might take longer, it might not. But yeah, for us it doesn't take more than that. Less than a month a short film is created. But planning उसके पहले से बहुत होती है, उसके बाद में होती है. A lot of things happen. But from
Right.
conceptualizing till execution, 2 months.
If we talk about casting, so how do you basically focus on your casting? Like, how do you decide that which role to give to which one?
See, most of the times जो आपके जो key casting होते हैं ना, key roles होते हैं. Like for
Right.
example, in Kashmir there was this character called Liaquat, which is played by Naveen Pandit.
Yes.
तो मुझे पता था मुझे इसी के साथ करना है. I knew it. तो मैंने
Okay.
उसी को सोचकर वो रोल लिखा. And couple of more मैंने उनको ही सोच के वो रोल लिखे.
Okay.
Apart from that, जो डायरेक्टर्स का विजन और पर्सपेक्टिव है उस कास्टिंग को लेके, उसके अलावा जो बाकी कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं, then the casting director comes in place.
All right.
Because he has all the options. He gets in, he वो अपनी एक्सपर्टी लेके आता है कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर, एंड देन डायरेक्टर के साथ मिलके वो कास्टिंग कंप्लीट करता है.
Okay. Divyansh, I would like to ask you one thing, that if there is some tip you would like to give for the people who want to start new as a director or a producer, so
Yeah.
what tip you would like to share?
Start new as a producer तो मतलब वो तो अलग ही बॉल गेम है पूरा. It's a very different thing altogether. वो
Okay.
उसके लिए पूरा एक सेशन लगेगा. But if you want to start off as a director, first of all start watching good films. Just see what is happening in world cinema also. Okay.
Okay.
Just be aware about every kind of cinema.
Right.
And do not wait. If you have something, think, analyze, write, and shoot. Do not wait. Because if you wait कि कोई आके आपको ब्रेक देगा नहीं देगा. Seriously, आजकल तो क्या है, 4K कैमरा आ गया हर मोबाइल में. People are making films, like award-winning films from their iPhones, from their phones.
Right.
So one advice that, because I followed it, and at least abhi tak till my career, I know there's a long way to go, but whatever little that we've been doing till now, it is all about executing. So all the filmmakers who are starting off or wanting to start like me, because yet not there for all of them. Do not wait and think कि कोई आके आपको ब्रेक देगा. कोई आइडिया है, सोचा, लिखा, शूट किया, put it out. You have YouTube. Okay. Just put it out. देखो क्या रिस्पॉन्स मिला and see to it that you have good team. More than anything, if you have good actors, half of your battle is won. More than half of your battle is won, because screen पे खाली actors दिखते हैं और स्क्रीन पे जो एक्टर्स दिखते हैं वही मेक बिलीव करवाते हैं ऑडियंस को कि यार मैं जो कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ ये सच है, नाटक नहीं है. That is how people get invested in your film while watching your film.
Yes.
So get your actors correct and just keep polishing yourself by creating new things. और पिक्चर पैसों से नहीं बनती है, नियत से बनती है. I'm talking about short films.
Okay.
नियत होनी चाहिए.